If Telegram isn't sending your verification code, don't worry, there are a few simple fixes that might solve the problem. First, know that Telegram may not send the code to your SMS inbox, especially if you're already logged in on another device. In that case, Telegram often sends the code directly to the app on your other logged in devices. So, if you have access to those, check them first. If not, tap the didn't get the code option and choose SMS if it's available. Still not working? Try installing Telegram X from the Play Store. This version often allows code delivery via phone number even when the main app doesn't trans. Another method is to clear the Telegram app cache and data. Long press the app, tap App Info, go to Storage and Cache, and clear all data. Then check for updates on the Play Store and install the latest version. Final verdict: whether it's a login issue or an app bug, these steps should help you receive your verification code and access your account. Like and subscribe for more Fixit guides and tech support.